what's up, YouTuber? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some 1979 Smashing Pumpkins. Cool, so first of all, I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the record, you got to tune down the whole guitar to E flat, so one step, okay? Alright, this song is very interesting. It's got some cool stuff happening. I wouldn't say this for beginners. We got some harder stuff going on. Alright, so we want to play octaves. A string and G string. So that the way I do it, I mute the D string. We don't want to hear that with this finger. So the lick starts like this on 6th fret to 7. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 2. And we're hearing the low E string during that whole time. The B and the E string. Okay, so that's the first part of the main riff, and then we want to go to the A string and do. So you're bending 6 to 6, 4, 2, 4, 6, 9. While you're playing the A string too. Back to E. That's the main verse part, and then we got an F sharp minor, bar second, 4, 4, to B, B major. We don't have to bar that, we can play open B and E string. So 7, 9, 9, 8. The chorus, instead of starting on 6, we start on 7 and do the same thing. So 7, 6, 2, and A is the same. Different is before the second chorus, from the F sharp, instead of going to B, we're going to go to A, to 5th fret, okay? And then we got one more part. We got the H, E, and I play that like this. I grab a B, second fret, 4, 4, open B and E, to C sharp. This C sharp sounds good. 4 to 4 to A, and then I just lift up third finger like that. So B, 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 C sharp to A, B, 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 C sharp to A, B, 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 C sharp to A, F sharp to B. Actually, it's a verse there again. And mostly downstrokes. Yeah, mostly downstrokes. For the chorus, it's more strumming. Cool, awesome. So let's review it. Verses 6, 7 to over E and then A. Bend 6 to 6, 4, 2, 4, 6, 9. And then you grab, after 4 times, you grab F sharp minor to B. And before second chorus, you go from F sharp minor to A. And then choruses 7, 6 to A, the same. 7, 6 to, and then one more thing, bridge, B major, C sharp to A. Cool. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more stuff. Be safe.